Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris with Holly Ridge Homestead, and we're back out here on the other opposite side of my property, where we're going to be building our new house. And so this is the Labor Day weekend. Mosquitoes and horseflies are trying to get me. This is the Labor Day weekend. So today is Saturday morning, and we've had a lot of rain. I had been keeping up with the fire after work, coming out, pushing it up and putting more stuff in. Well, it just got put out by all the rain. So now I'm gonna try to find some stuff to restart it with, but it's pretty wet, so I don't know if that's gonna happen. But so my buddy that's been allowing me to use his mini hoe has came back and picked it up. But I was able to get a couple hours worth of work done right before he did. So back here, you might be able to tell, you might not with this camera, there's a bunch of underbrush laid down. I'm still clearing underbrush towards the back and a little bit on the side over here, and right in this area. But right in this area is where we're going to be building the house. It's not too long now. I'm going to have to start taking some of these bigger trees down and deciding what to do with it. I wish I had a sawmill. I don't have a friend that has a sawmill. I'm not gonna go buy one just to make videos and all that stuff. If I had a place to store the lumber for it to dry over a year, that'd be fine, but we're so far away from that, I'm not gonna be able to do that. So anyways, this is gonna be a long weekend for us. We're off Monday. We've got the girls went to a rodeo last night. She didn't run that one, she just went to a rodeo to watch it. They didn't get home till almost 1 in the morning. I stayed home. I'm not all in that traveling all the time and stuff of that nature. Then they're going to a dirt track race, if it hadn't gotten canceled from all the rain last night. Again, I'm staying home because I plan on working out here as much as I can, fighting mosquitoes and horseflies. But it is supposed to get warm today. But Sunday I got to work 2 different jobs, part-time, 4 hours at each. So it's going to be a full day Sunday for me. Now Monday we're going to be driving all the way over to Ruston to run a I think it's called Run for Diamonds barrel race for Hannah. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. I think we're just going to run Monday. This is only going to be her second big event ever to run, so we don't want to put too much pressure on her. Again, she's only 13 and a half. She'll be 14 in December, so that's not really too far off. So we're building her up and their confidence up together. And once she gets really going, we'll start running more. I plan on putting some video of that in there. Hopefully she does well. Be nice if she won it. She's run on Monday alone. There's over 400 horses to run. She's 355. So it's gonna be a long day. Anyways, so you can kind of see all the underbrush that I've been opening up, trying to save some of these pretty maple trees, all the big oak trees. There's a lot of stuff in here that I still have to get out. Heather wants it opened up a lot more. I'm not making pasture out of it, that's not going to happen, but we are going to make it to where it's around the house that a tree, we have a lot of tornadoes and stuff like that, that a tree couldn't hit the house. But we got quite a bit still to do. I had thought about, like I said, loggers coming in and doing something, but then they're just going to tear up, you know, trees I don't want them to tear up. And anyways, it's early September, first day of dove season. I'm not hunting, but hunting season is just around the corner. Next weekend I'm going to the deer lease, and we're going to be getting the deer lease ready for hunting season. bush hogging, trimming lanes, checking on stands, spraying wasps, that kind of thing. All right, so I'm gonna get some of this stuff stacked up. If I cannot get it to burn, then what I'm going to do is just get it all over here ready, just to keep feeding it and piling it up. Oh, spider web. I don't know about y'all, but the rattlesnakes have been out for a while, and you really got to watch what you're doing out here. They're everywhere. Well, I had forgot to do something while I was down in the woods. I remembered I needed to get the oil change for the long trip this weekend over to Ruston in Louisiana and run this barrel race for Hannah. So anyways, I got the oil changed, and she was out here cleaning up her stuff for the horse's legs and everything, and she said that she wanted to clean the horse trailer and wash it. It's kind of dirty. Me, I'm not worried about looks and anything. I'm more worried about training and performances, which get you results. But she's 13. She wants to look purty. So anyways, I'm gonna back it out of here. We're gonna get it backed out. We're gonna go. I've got to get this oil recycled, and this should be good about right here. Give her room. This will get her plenty of room to do what she needs to do. Anyways, we'll get this done, and I had an idea. I'm gonna try the Millennium Farmer way of getting this thing cleaned and washed and all that stuff. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna see if exact things work now. See if I can snap. All right, ready? Let's see if it works. All right, Zach. This ain't working for me. Yeah, that's just for those Millenniums. We actually have to wash it. That's how that works. Alright, it works. Look at my garden real quick. It's all like a jungle, but look at this one watermelon. I don't know. It's not ready yet, but it's a little different. It's all green. So I don't know what kind of watermelon that is. Besides watermelon, there's a couple in there. But look at these peppers. These peppers are orange. We get snake bit. They're pretty orange. Anyways, yep. Mosquitoes are getting out. This is blackberry thorn. I mean, this thing, I'm sorry, not thorn, but thornless blackberry. It's got to be 10 feet long. We got another watermelon hidden over here. Oh man, it's bad. Anyways, I'm gonna grab this pole saw real quick. We'll get that thing changed out. Oh, that garden needs a lot of work. It's always work to do around here. Sit y'all somewhere. Y'all stay right there. So first thing that's our shop, feed house, chicken coop. That thing holds everything. It's plumb full, but that's gonna be one of the first projects once we get back to the back, build the new house, we're gonna have a monster shop. I've got the sun in, y'all. All right, I gotta get a tool it's a Stil tool. There it is. It's a torch on the end. That's where I keep all my chainsaw wrenches, right here in the back. That's what them holes are for, if y'all didn't know that. So what this is a regular weed eater that I've had many years, probably 12 years, and I didn't want a full-size pole saw. I wanted a little lighter just so I can trim up around the box stands, deer stands, around people's houses and stuff like that. So I went and got just a gearbox, and it's probably the one I have on here. It's got to be 10 plus years. It comes just like that. You pull your weed eater head off and you put this gearbox on, and then you have a pole saw. Well, the gearbox is tore up, so now I had the girls, when they went to town, go pick me up a new one, and it was only $175 for a gearbox. I've already got a bar and a chain, so I'm gonna get that changed out real quick. But $175, if this lasts another 10 years, it's well worth the money. Yeah, put these spare parts away. You never know when you might need parts off this thing. Looks like a good spot. Put the tools back where they belong. That way I know where they are next time. Good tool holder. Take my word for it. Now we need to run back, go back to the back of the property and check on the burn pile, push it up. We'll push it up, and then we'll probably eat some dinner. That's why we need the pole saw. Got it pushed up. It should stay hot till tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday for us. I've got to work all day tomorrow, extra duty. That's how we make our extra money, is working extra duty. So I'll be working a church job, and then we got a Christian concert at a different church tomorrow that I'm gonna be working. So it's gonna be a long day for me tomorrow, but I'll come back probably Monday morning, push this up before we leave to go to the rodeo. All the tack needs to be put away, and in the wash bucket. All right, I'm gonna try this one more time. Y'all ready? I'm doing something wrong.